What I do, I face stagnant careers. Despite of the being a hard effort, I'm unable to move further, sir. This is the one top most burning questions what we face in our job profile. My dear friend, many people are very successful to make a very successful attempt in their career life, but they are not aware down the lines they can face stagnant career. So they should be very aware about the stagnant careers. I will tell that what the reason for the being the facing stagnant career, and same time I will give the solution in this video. First we have to understand that starting point is the self diagnosis of the problem. Your attitude determine your altitude. You are in charge of your own development. You have to run. You have to compete your own competitions. Do not compete. Do not run with the saying of the other peoples. My dear friend, you are what you are today because what you made choice yesterday. So it is telling about your attitude. Attitude, it means also for your hungry of success, for your focus point, for your development. So it is giving your attitude and you determine your altitude. It means that if you have a high attitude in your life, it means that it is very helpful to get success. So, my dear friend, starting point is that self-diagnosis of the problem. Many people start blaming due to office politics, due to bad presentations, due to bad communication skills, due to not having the godfathers. They are the facing stagnant career in their office. The more you start blaming of being the victimized of your careers, the more you will face very challenging problem in your careers. So stop blaming to others. Then you have to need the real root cause of this problem. So my dear friend, we have to understand that we have two phase of our career life. One is that time stage. This is the early stage of your careers. It is the telling about the 0 to 10 years. And second is the GPM stage. It is like the middle management. In the organizational pyramid, the lower side is lower base of the half. It is called the time stage, where we enter in this where we enter in the organizations. We know what is the answers of your job profile. If you do not have, you go with your boss, with you go with your HR, yeah, management. There is some ready-made answer. If you follow rigorously about your answer, if you implement this answer in your job profile, I think you will be very successful in your careers, in your time stage. Once you move ahead in the second stage, like the GBM stage, like the maturity stage, it is there is a little ready-made answer. You have to develop the method of the knowing answer. See, in the first stage, there is a ready-made answers, but in the second stage, there is no any ready-made answer, limited answers. You have to develop the method of the knowing answers. And getting ready-made answer and developing method of the knowing answer is two totally different things. If I will ask to multiply 12 into 12, you will easily multiply 144. If I will ask to 265 into 369, you have to multiply. You are unable to give the answer unless until if you do not know the method of the multiplications, you are unable to give the answer. Same thing is applicable in the corporate life. In the first stage, we know all the answers. Doing the same job profile, we are very expert of these answers. But if you go in the middle management, so especially totally change, you are handling a lot of peoples, but there is a limited answer of for your employee. So we have to develop even in the time stage. Once you enter in the job profiles, from the you make the habit of the developing the matter of the knowing answers. You have to ask your boss what is the means matter, how you get the answer. So this is the one stage, one reason for the being the stagnant. We are unable to develop matter in the GBM stage. Second is that the lack of the pilot view. Being the driving of your business in the early stage, like the branch managers, they have limited visions. They are driving as per their capacity, as per their knowledge, and their understanding. They not, they do not drive their business with the what company vision, company missions. They have no any pilot view where they have to go after 10 years, after 15 years. They have also do not understand what changing is required for driving the business. So having the pilot view, many people have not this pilot view. So this is the one of the reason many people face stagnant. Third is that lack lack the ability to build high leverage team. High leverage team is that if you have the holding the team of the 25 persons and many employee who are in the early stage, you have to guide how to develop the matter, because if you do not retain, if you do not create a high quality of your team and and motivate to get leverage, what is the resources available in the company? We have a lot of resources and it is totally depend on you how can you leverage these services, like leverage your boss, leverage your team members, leverage from the HR policy, leverage from the others supporting department, leverage from the your synergy team, leverage from your training, get the help of the book, and also outsources service which is available in your company. How do you leverage yourself, how to leverage your team member, how to leverage the other resources which is available. If you develop in your team member to get maximize your leverage, I think it will be very helpful to retain high quality team members in your team. And you have to develop the matter, you have to create the new capability, and there is a need for the developing in your capability. So my dear friend, many team members have lack of yeah, they do not have the high quality teams and they face also stagnant careers. So I will like to tell about the what is the solution, how can you get out from the stagnant careers. There are two solutions. One is that prioritize getting better. Getting better module GBM. I think we have to develop getting better in every day, in every moment, in every assignment and every event. Get better of the getting better. It means that we have to develop the capability. Capability, it means that your skills, your leadership quality, personal value system, relationship, communication skills, product knowledge, like analytical reasoning, logical thinking, organized way, efficiency way, disciplined way, more comfort with the number. This is the core capability, and everyone have to create the core capability and also need to that improve in your core capability. So doing the your job profile, it means that giving the performance, giving the result, it is the top priority for the company. And second is that how can you retain this the same performance in the futures. It is very you can it is not means you cannot say it is guarantee. It is depend on all the things, all the circumstances. But one thing you can do that from the starting point of your job, you have to develop uh, new capability. There is a lot of room of the scale up in the high level of your core capability. We have to do while you're doing your job, while giving the performance to the company. This is the one things we have to do from the coming out from the stagnant career. Second point is that means start building your means GBM phrase. It means that being the repetition of your job, you are expert in your answer and you are giving the satisfactory result to the company also. But same time you are also claiming that you are facing stagnant careers. So in these situations, ask your management, ask your boss, ask your HR to get some challenging job. Challenging job means that it is totally unknown territory for you. You are living in the comfort zones. If you do not move from your comfort zone, you have to move from the comfort zone and you have to go in the unknown territory. After means after asking a challenging job, then you will realize that what you have the potentials in your side, and your energy, your knowledge, your capability is giving a good result once you go in the challenging job, once you will take the new job profiles apart from your domain area. So in this way, it will be very challenging. You will strive very hard. It means that there will be some momentum of your excitement of your job. So this is the more important how you create the momentum, how you create the excitement for new job profiles. So in this way, we can get from the stagnant careers. My dear friend, what I telling about that about stagnant careers, this is the fact, and many people face. This is the my observation. This is the my understanding with the help of the personal experience, with the help of the other book, which always motivate